Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to install iOS 18 beta software updates on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Safari on your iPhone. On the address bar, type developer.apple.com. Hit Apple Developer. Tap two lines menu on top left. Then select Account. Sign in to Apple Developer. Now enter your Apple ID. Then tap arrow sign. Enter Apple ID password and tap arrow sign. Tap allow and enter verification code. Then tap continue and tap trust. Now scroll down and check the box about agreement. Then check the radio button yes. Tap submit. Are you sure you want to join Apple Developer Program? Tap enroll today. That's it. Now close Safari app. Before install iOS 18 beta, make sure you backup your iPhone. Don't forget to backup your iPhone. Let's install iOS 18 beta version. Now open Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Tap Software Update. Right now I am using iOS 18.1.1. Beta updates right now off. Tap Beta Updates. From here, select iOS 18 Developer Beta. Go back. Here you will see new update for iOS 18 beta. Right now 18.2 beta 4. Tap Update Now. Update requesting. It will take 30 minutes to download new updates. Preparing update. Your phone will restart and you will see hello screen. Slide to open. Then software update complete. Tap continue. You can set up Face ID right now or tap setup later. Also you can create passcode for your iPhone right now or set up later. For iPhone analytics, tap continue. Welcome to iPhone. This will not reset anything in your iPhone. All data will be as it is. Now open settings, then tap general, tap software update. You will see iOS 18.2 or later. So these are the steps to install iOS 18 beta on your iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.